Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canon ImageFormula DR C230 scanner. It is a very fast scanner. So let's power on it. You can also remove this. This is the USB port, this is the power port. Now let's install the driver. Now type in your Google search Canon DR C230 driver, and then you will find these two links: DR C2 support India, and this is ImageFormula DR C230 support download driver. You just need to click on this. So this is the driver option. It is your operating system is detected Windows 10 64-bit. So this is the capture on touch standard version. Here is another capture on touch V4. Again click download. Yes. Again save the file. Save here. It is 145 MB. See, the download is completed. Now click this folder icon. Again extract this file, or you can just directly install. Temporary. Okay. Again click setup file. Now click yes. Next, accept the terms and conditions. Next, install. See, the installation is completed. Click finish. Now search here, capture on touch. See, this time appears here, capture on touch V4 Pro. Now click here, and then you will land it to the scanning shortcut page. This is the new shortcut. This is you can scan a PDF file, but it is in color format. Just you have to change this settings. Click this pencil icon and change the color mode to black and white if you wish to scan a document black and white. This is the DPI speed priority. You can change according to you. This is the quality priority. If you want to speed, just keep it 200 DPI. Scanning side, skip blank pages. You can make it if you want to scan duplex, both side scan. Simply select duplex or skip blank page. Automatically straightens skewed images. Make it rotate image to match orientation. Check this enable. You can change the location also. This is the output location. Save in folder picture. You can create your own file where you want to scan all your documents. So I just want to browse this PC and I want to scan in suppose F. And F I want to create a directory, say scan documents, scan file. Okay. See, the location is changed to F scan file. Now whatever you scan, all your files are stored in scan file. You can change the name shortcut. Suppose this is black and white scan. Black and white. I set this as black and white. I can also create another shortcut for color scan. So just click on the pencil icon, color. This is skip blank page. Everything. Now change the output. Change from picture to browser path, and it is in D and scan file. Okay. You can also change the name. What name you want to start? Suppose I want to scan. Then first person appears, scan. Change the shortcut name. This is color scan. Color PDF. PDF scan in color. Click close. You can also set for image scan or for photo scan. Check rotate image. This output. Then change the folder. Go to F drive. Select scan file. Okay. See. Change the name. This is color image. If you want to scan a photo, this will be helpful. And file type it is in JPG. Now close. So we can create shortcuts for black and white, color PDF and color image. Now let's scan these documents. There is 4 pages. And now we have to put this page like this. See. Put the page in the feeder like this. And then give the command from the computer. Say I want to scan black and white. these are the scan pages. So the pages are scanned, you can see this, and you will see here this is a blank page. If you wish to delete this page, simply right click on the page and then click delete button and then click again yes. And this is the menu button, display or hide the edit menu. See, this is the display or edit hide menu. If you wish to rotate any page, simply click this display or hide the edit menu button and then click rotate and then select the desired orientation. You can also see the file by zooming it. This is the zoom. You can just drag the zoom to read the file and then click finish. And you can see the file, open storage folder where the file is stored. Let's scan color PDF. So at first you have to put the pages in the feeder, and then this time you have to click on the color pages that I have created shortcut. If there is any color page, then you can see here, and these are the blank page. Just delete the blank page. See, and then click finish. This is for the photo scan. One thing I would like to show you, if is there any paper jam occurred in the scanner, then at first you have to power up the scanner. Just press and hold the power on button. See, scanner is power up, and now you have to press this knob. This is the open knob, and then you have to pull this tray like this. See? And then you can easily remove the paper from this tray. I just show it again. You just need to press this open knob and then pull this like this, and you can easily remove the jammed paper from the scanner. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.